Good morning, children. How are you? I hope you all are fine. See, fifth class children, we are discussing the chapter number 8, counting of sheets. Regarding that, children, already we have discussed active voice, passive voice, and the textual exercises. And in our last session, children, we have discussed what does a laugher begin. Okay, how does it comes? What is a laugh? We have discussed. Today, children, we have to discuss our chapter number 9, flying high. What we are going to discuss? Flying high. Okay, which chapter we are going to discuss, Nana? Flying high we are going to discuss. Before to that, children, in our last session I told you this belongs to the things which fly high in the sky. Now see, children, it was a bright on page number 122, children. Whenever you are listening the YouTube classes, take your textbook along with you so that easily you can understand the lesson. Okay? Now see, children, we have to discuss our chapter flying high. It was a bright blue sky. The children were flying kites. Suddenly they noticed a kite falling from the sky. See, children, it was the time when the children are playing in a ground. When they are playing, what they are playing, children, they are flying kites. Suddenly one kite coming down, falling from the sky. Oh, look, its string is broken, Aman shouted. First character of the story is Aman. Who saw the kite? Nana, Aman saw the kite and he said the string was broken and the kite was falling from the sky. The green kite with its broken string started to circle round rapidly. Wow, let us catch it, Aman exclaimed, staring happily at the falling kite. Now what they have observed, children, that the broken kite was revolving in a circle way and coming down. And what they saw the falling kite was in green color. A color lo undamma falling kite? It was in green color. Okay. The falling kite was in green color and Aman wants to catch that kite. Aman wants to take that kite. No, I will catch it first, Manav shouted. Aman's friend shouted that he wants to catch the kite first. See who caught it first. I will run. I can run faster. I will catch it. Nobody will touch it. And they all ran as fast as they could do to catch a kite. As the kite came lower, all the boys jumped up to grab it. See, Nana, when the kite was falling from the sky, all the boys, including Manav and Aman, are running after the kite to catch the kite. As the kite coming down, they are running towards the kite and they grabbed it. Grabbed it means they jumped on it to catch. See what happens. One of them got hold of it. Only a part of the string. The other had a broken frame. While others managed only a piece of paper. As all the boys jumped on the kite broke into pieces. One boy got the string, one boy got the frame, one boy got the piece of paper. Meeta shouted. Meeta is one of the girl who was playing with the friends. Meeta, what she shouted, children? Meeta shouted she had been watching the whole scene. Poor kite, look what you have done. It is no more a kite. Now as all the boys jumped on the kite, they did not see the kite. What is left there? Only the parts of the kites were left there. The boys pushed for a It is a merely pieces of paper and bits of sticks. she said. The boys pushed for a moment. Now they adjusted themselves. They adjusted themselves, and what happened? See, children, next in our story. Now see, children, one of the boy, Vivek said, what Vivek said, see, children, what Vivek said, I want to fly a kite but have no money to buy it. Manav murmured, I want to fly a big kite in the sky, but no one makes a big kite. Aman angrily, why did you tear the kite? I would have brought it down gently. I did not. He did. Now all the arguing themselves. Vivek said, I don't have money, that's why I grabbed on the kite. Manav said, I want to fly a big kite, but there is no big kite in the market, so I want that kite. Aman said, I want to put the kite gently down, but you members disturbed me a lot and the kite broke. They were all blaming each other. Here what they are doing, children? These three members are blaming each other. And నువ్వు చించావంటే నువ్వు చించావు. See what happens. He pulled it from my hand. Meeta suggested, let's make a new kite. Now they all want to sit together, and Meeta suggested to make a new kite. But how? We don't know how to make it. Aman questioned. Now Aman is asking Meeta, I don't know how to frame the kite, how to prepare the kite, but you are telling to prepare a kite. It is impossible for us to make a kite. See, the members who broke the kite, they don't know how to prepare the kite. My father taught me the art of making a kite. Now Meeta replied, I know how to make a kite. My father told me. My father taught me how to prepare a kite. It is impossible for us to make a kite, Manav added. Manav was not agree with Meeta, as if we prepare also it won't look nice. So what happened next? I can teach you. Meeta said, I will teach you. Now they were all excited. Vivek said, I think it will take several days to make kites for each one of us. I am not interested. Now he was not interested. I think it will take several days. Vivek is saying that the making of the kite may take several days. I don't want to waste my time. Meeta encouraged him. He asked the boys to sit down and listen to her. She explained, we can make the kites today itself. We need a few bamboo sticks, colored paper, scissor, glue. Can you get these? See, Nana, Meeta was asking the glue. Glue means the Fevikwik or Fevistick glue, sticking, for sticking. Colored papers, string, wooden pieces, wooden frame or wooden strips to make the frame. These things are needed to frame a kite or to make a kite. Oh yes, everybody felt happy as Meeta encouraged him. All the boys disappeared hurriedly and came back in no time. They went to bring all these, and they came as fast as possible. Oh yes, everybody felt happy. All the boys disappeared hurriedly and came back in no time. Everybody brought something or other: bamboo sticks, multicolored papers, pairs of scissors, a ball of string and glue. See, children, all the boys went to bring all the things needed to prepare a kite. Now, till now, what we have learnt in this story, children, the children who are playing, who are flying the kites, suddenly one kite fell down and all the boys ran to catch it, and they grabbed it. When they grabbed, the kite become into the pieces. One boy got the string, one boy got the wooden frame, one boy got the colored papers. So the kite was broken. So here Meeta, one girl, argued with the boys, why you did this? What is the use? So they started blaming each other. Then Meeta, very intelligent girl, she said, okay, leave whatever you did, no problem. Let us make a new kite. Meeta told that her father told us how to prepare a kite. Even though these members are objecting, refusing to prepare the kite, she encouraged all the boys and she told the items which are needed to prepare a kite to bring. So all the boys ran away to bring the items to prepare the kite. In our next session, I will explain you the remaining story of the chapter. Okay, children? And it's my request to you members, take your textbook along with you when you are listening the classes. Write your notes neatly and complete your notes in time. Don't keep on pendings. Okay, children? Have a nice day, all of you.